Hi students, yesterday we seen object positions on concave mirror. How many possible object positions on concave mirror? Today we are going to learn for that object positions how image positions are possible, what types of images are possible. So last class we seen like object, if you are placing object at infinity and object beyond C, object at C, object between F and C, and object at F, object between P and F. Just recall that. So there are 6 types of object positions are possible on concave mirror. And we learned images also. There are 2 types of images are there, like real image and virtual image, and their definitions also we completed, as well as we seen the definition for image. But here image and photo, I mean mostly we can use the word images, gallery, nothing, but when we are using mobile phones we'll use the word photo or image. These both are similar or different actually. So this extra point I want to tell you. So image is representation of external form, but photo is, so this representation of image on photocentric plate. If you are taking any photocentric plate, on that this image is representation of that image by help of light. With the help of light, the image is representation of photocentric place. That thing is called as what? Photo. It's just one kind of information. So just mind it, what is photo, what is image. Both are actually different. So now we are going to see what are the image positions are possible on concave mirror with 6 object positions. In that first one is object at infinity. Object at infinity. So if you are placing object at infinity, so what is the position of image? Now consider one concave mirror. Pole, focus and center. Pole, focus and center. Now where we are going to place object at infinity, that means the distance is not mentioned, the position is, the particular position is not mentioned here. Okay, if you are placing on object, if you are placing on C, if you are placing on F, like they are not mentioned. Object in infinity, that means we don't know where object is placed. From where rays are coming, we don't know. So that is not mentioned. So just confirm one thing here. The rays are coming from sun. The sun rays are coming from sun. So these are parallel to each other. Sun rays are parallel to each other. So absolutely sun rays are what? Parallel to each other. They are coming parallel from sun and reaching our earth. So similarly, if you are placing object at infinity of distance, we will expect the rays are coming parallel to each other, parallel to principal axis. All rays are what? Parallel here. So if you are placing object at infinity, all rays are coming parallel. All rays are coming like parallel. So keep that point in your brain. Why all rays are you are taking like that only, sir? Why not in a different way? But the thing is, if you are placing object at somewhere else, distance is not mentioned. In that case, all rays are will consider as parallel. Now let's take all incident rays are parallel to each other or parallel to the principal axis. All incident rays are parallel to the principal axis, which are coming from light source, which is placed at infinity of distance. It's placed at infinity of distance. These all rays are what? Parallel to principal axis. All rays are parallel to principal axis. So all rays are parallel to principal axis or not? These are incident rays. All rays are what? Incident rays. Now we know that 4 ray diagrams we see in last class. If the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, reflection is going from focus. We know very well. So all rays are passes from focus. So these all incident rays are passing from what? Focus. So that means all incident rays are, all reflected rays are intersecting at where? At focus, these all are intersecting. At F point, these all rays are intersecting. So if all rays are parallel to the principal axis, that all parallel rays are strikes on concave mirror, that all reflected rays are passes from focus. We know that image definition, where the rays are converges. Where the rays are converges, that is a real image. So we are talking about convergence only now. All rays are going to converge, right? So all rays are going to converge here, converge at F point. So simply to understand what happening here, where reflected rays are intersected. I am talking about this, where reflected rays are intersected. That intersecting point known as image. So all reflected rays are intersecting at where? At F, all rays are intersecting. Now tell me, image is formed at where? Image is formed at F, in F position. So in what? On F position, image is formed. Now write down, image formed at F. So if you are placing object at infinity, image is formed at F. So we have a perfect statement. Okay, where you have placed object? I am placing at infinity. So what is the position of image? Image position is focus. Image is formed at focus. Image formed at F. So very interesting topic and very important. Very important. In 4 marks type of questions. Not only 4 marks, we have a lot of chances to asking questions from the what image positions. And that's why learn these 6 types of positions very sincerely, you will get definitely some marks now. So image formed at F. Now tell me what kind of image it is. So we have 2 images now, 2 types of images now, like real image is there and as well as virtual images are there. So which image is formed here? So image is formed convergence, because of convergence image is formed. That means converge, when rays are going to converge, that is a real image. And next statement supports the image always forms in front of concave mirror, that is a what? A real image. We seen differences yesterday, differences in last class. So what the differences states? Which image is forms in front of concave mirror or behind the lens? The image is formed in front of concave mirror or behind the lens, that is a what? Real image. So it is nothing but forms on screen. So if you are placing screen on F, and that case you will get image. Okay sir, how image is formed? There is a no mirror, no. So mostly image appears on mirror. That is our experience, our past experience. What we have learned in previous classes, image forms on mirror. But concave mirror cannot show real images on the mirror. It shows in front of. Why? Because, for example, one concave mirror is there. If you are placing any screen, for example, one white paper you have placed at F, and that time on that paper image should be captured, or image should be what? Forms. Understand? You have to place screen at F, and that time only you will get the what? Image. Okay, I am not placing screen. Where is image? So image cannot see with our naked eye without placing screen. So definitely you have to place screen at F, and that time only we will observe the what? This point size image. I mean image, which image is formed at F, that image can be appeared, or that image can be formed on screen. So where image is formed? Image formed at F. What type of image? It's a real image, but I am not mentioned. Why? Because there is no characteristics to explaining. Why? Because it's a point size image. It's look like dot type of structure. So point size image is formed. Point sized image is formed. So image formed at F and point size image is formed. So how it is look like? Point size is dot like structure. So once again I am repeating how image position possible when you are placing object at infinity. When you are placing object at infinity, all rays, all incident rays from that source comes parallel to each other. So just keep that point in your brain. All incident rays are parallel to the principal axis. All are parallel. There is no alternate chance here. I mean, there is no additional rays are coming from. Okay, it is coming from center. It is coming from focus. Not like that. All rays are what? Parallel. All rays are parallel. Strikes on mirror and reflected back from focus. Where these all rays are converged or intersected. The intersecting point is image. So image formed at F. Point size image is formed. What is the characteristics of image? Point size image. Got it? Go to the next position. Second position is object beyond C. Object beyond C. F and C, focus and center. Now I am placing object somewhere else beyond C. After C, I am placing somewhere. So I am consider one candle as my object. I am placing beyond C. Now, so already I told you many rays are possible from the candle flame. Why you are taking only 2 rays? So I explained in last class. I am just imagining to showing a proper position for understanding purpose, to knowing purpose. Okay, for that I am taking any 2 rays. Okay, just now you are taking 4 rays, no? Why in this situation you are taking 2 rays? What I said, at least 2 rays. Show at least 2 rays intersection. Show at least 2 rays convergence. So many rays are possible, but 2 rays are enough to us. So why you are taking from focus? Why you are taking from center of curvature? Why you are always taking like parallel to the principal axis? That is your wish. 4 rays I explained it. I mean 4 ray diagrams I explained it. 4 ray diagrams I explained it. From that 4 ray diagrams, take any 2 ray diagrams to show image position. Take any 2. So let me explain how I'm taking 2 rays. So now I am placing object at beyond C. I place it object at beyond C. From this object plane, tip of the object, one ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. First incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. One incident ray is coming from the tip of the object, that is parallel to the principal axis. We know very well what happens if incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. It is passes from focus. It is passes from focus. And I am consider more one incident ray which is passing from center. We know that if incident rays passes from center, reflection also occurs from center only. Reflection also occurs center only. So now this one reflected ray and this one reflected ray, both reflected rays are intersected at here. Okay, sir. Can I take from focus? So same point. Can I take? Presently, I told you if incident ray, if incident ray is coming from center of curvature, but except this, I mean I'm just instead of center of curvature, I'm using second ray from maybe focus. Is it possible? Exactly that position or that position only image forms? Definitely. Look at this. If you are taking from anywhere, no problem. You can use 4 ray diagrams, no problem. So next fourth ray diagram is at P. So P also intersected there only. Understand? That's what. Consider any 2 ray diagrams. Your wish. From that 4 ray diagrams, you can consider any 2 ray diagrams to showing image position. Okay. So first one is passes from focus, and second one I consider from center of curvature and reflected from center of curvature only. So here intersection is done. Here the intersection is completed. So we know that where the 2 rays are converged, the converging point as image. Which type of image? So image is formed between F and C. Image is formed between F and C. Now tell me what is the object position here? Object placing beyond C. If I am placing object beyond C, what is the position of image here? Image position between F and C. If you are placing object beyond C, image comes between F and C. So here between F and C, if you maybe place the screen, if you place screen between F and C, if you are placing object beyond C, and that time we are going to place between F and C. The screen can show the what image formation when you are placing between F and C. Now image formed between F and C. Now write image formed after drawing the diagram. What happened here? You just mention in 2 lines here. Image is formed somewhere. So what mention what are the characteristics of image. So that is a best presentation in examination purpose. Okay. So image formed between F and C. Between F and C, image is formed. So tell me which type of image it is? Which type of image? Image formed due to converging or diverging? Converging. And it is formed in front of concave mirror. I told you, concave mirror in front of which image is formed, that is the real image. So real image, real, and this is inverted, see, reverse image, reverse of object. So real, inverted, real, inverted. So now tell me size. If greater than object size, used to enlarged. Less than object size, diminished. So real, inverted and diminished image is formed. Diminished image. Diminished image is formed. Got it? If you are placing object beyond C, image forms between F and C. Image forms between F and C. That image is real image, inverted image, real image, inverted image, and diminished image. That image is diminished image. Got it? First case we got point size image. Point size image, diminished image, and characters are quite different, and that's what 6 types of positions are occur here. To knowing that positions, why positions are important. Okay, if you are standing in front of plane mirror, there is not required positions here. Why? Because that plane mirror always shows only one virtual image of us. But concave mirror is not like that. That's what very important. To understanding what are the characteristics of concave mirror, image positions of concave mirror, very important in light theory. Got it? So let's go to the third case. Case number 3. So third case is, okay, beyond C is completed. Now tell me Next position. Third position. Position number 3. Object at C. Object at C. Now I am going to placing object at C. Now place object at C. Same, take any two ray diagrams here for showing image position. So I am placing object at C. Now I am consider one incident ray as parallel to the principal axis. Always I am taking first incident ray is a parallel to the principal axis. It's my habit. You are with that is. Maybe it's very comfort to us while drawing ray diagrams for showing image positions. First ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is a tip you just keep in your brain. It is passes from, which one? Reflected rays passes from focus. Reflected rays passes from focus. Now, is it possible taking second instant ray from center? No, because the object is exactly on C. How that ray should comes from C? Not possible. So, except that ray diagram of coming from C, except that take any ray diagram like maybe at F or maybe at from P. So I am just taking second instant ray from F. From F. Now it is parallel to the principal axis. It is parallel to the principal axis. Here image is formed. Here image is formed. Where? Exactly at C. So the two rays are intersected exactly C. If you are placing object on C, image also comes at C only. It's a very easy position. Where you are placing object? At C I am placing. What is image position? At C only. Placing on C and coming on C only. Even ray diagram also very easy for this instant. If instant ray is passing from C and coming back from C only. C is very easy position and easy ray diagram to understand. So now if you have placed an object on center of curvature, image forms on center of curvature. Now tell me what is the size of this object? Size also same. What is the object size? Image size also same. But real image. Why real image? Already you are seeing it's inverted and forming in front of concave mirror, and that's what it's a real image. Now write image formed at C only, placed at C and formed also at C only. Next thing is write the characteristics. So real image inverted, how it is look like? Inverted, same sized and same sized image. Image size and object size both are equal here. Okay. So next see the next position. Fourth position. So what is fourth position? Object between F and C. C completed, no? Next position is F and C. Now I am placing object here. Same, take any two rays. Take any two rays. The first ray is parallel to the principal axis and passes from focus. Passes from focus. And second ray I am considering from F. It passes from F. And reflection is parallel to the principal axis. So where these two reflected rays are intersected? At here these two reflected rays are intersected and image formed at this place. That place is after C, and that is what image position is. Beyond C only, no? Image formed beyond C. So image position is beyond C. If you are placing object between F and C, image forms beyond C. It's quite opposite from second position. If you are placing object at beyond C, when you are placing object beyond C, image formed between F and C. Now we have placed object on object between F and C. Image position is, what is image position? Beyond C. Quite an opposite here. Object beyond C, image between F and C. Object between F and C, image beyond C. Very easy topic. I mean, we can easily understand how images are forming here. If you know the first one, second one is easy. If you know the second one, fourth one is easy. So quite opposite things. So let's see image formed beyond C. Now write the characteristics. Is it looking bigger than object? Absolutely. Image is bigger than object. So now character is again changed. From first case onwards, first position onwards, now we are going to discussing fourth position. All characters are looking similar? No, all characters are different here. Let's write image formed at beyond C. Image formed at beyond C. And next characters are real image or virtual image? Real image or virtual image? Sure, it's a real image, right? Real image. Real image. Inverted, definitely it's inverted. Inverted, real image, inverted image. Now tell me size. If less than object size, image size is less than object size, that is diminished image. Same size also observed, but now it's bigger than object size. Image size is bigger than object size. Then it's enlarged image and enlarged or magnified. Enlarged or magnified image. Enlarged or magnified image. Got it? So these are the four ray diagrams for concave mirror. First one is placing object infinity, image forms at F, it's a point size image. And next position is, if you are placing object beyond C, image forms between F and C. And the characteristics of that image, it's a real image, inverted image and diminished image. If you are placing object and center of curvature, image forms center of curvature only. It's a same size image, real image.